Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is based on the concept of approval under section 151, and the issue before the Honorable Bombay High Court through a writ petition was that if a notice under section 148 is issued to the assessee on the basis of a show cause notice under section 148A clause B which has been issued to the assessee on 19th March 2022 for assessment year 18-19, and consequent to that the notice under section 148 is issued to the assessee on 7th April 2022. So in that case, whether the approval of the PCIT or PCCIT is required. This issue has been decided by the Honorable Bombay High Court in the case of Vodafone Idea Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 468 ITR at page number 346, and the date of the judgment is 6th February 2024. In the present case, the assessment year is 18-19. The show cause notice to the assessee under section 148A clause B was issued to the assessee on 19th March 2022, and consequently the notice under section 148 and the order under section 148A clause D was issued to the assessee on 7th April 2022. The assessee filed the writ petition before the Honorable Bombay High Court, and the contention of the assessee was that in the present case the 3 years are ending on 31st March 2022 for the assessment year 18-19, and as per section 151 clause II, if a notice under section 148 is to be issued to the assessee after 3 years, then the approval of the PCCIT is required. Since in the present case the approval of PCIT is taken, so the notice is bad in law. The revenue contention was that the approval of PCIT is required because the initial proceedings against the assessee under section 148A clause B has triggered before 3 years, that is on 19th March 2022, and since the notice under section 148 is consequent to that proceedings, so the approval of PCIT is required. The revenue was also relying on the proviso to section 151 which has been introduced with effect from 1st April 2023, which says that period of 3 years for the purpose of clause I of section 151 shall be computed after taking into account the period of limitation as excluded by proviso 3 or proviso 4 or proviso 5 or proviso 6 of subsection 1 of section 149. For this, the assessee said that the proviso to section 151 has been included or introduced from 1st April 2023, so this proviso is not applicable to the assessee. Basically, the proviso to section 151 which has been introduced with 1st April 2023 says that if any time is given to the assessee to give reply to the assessee for the notice under section 148A clause B, or after giving that time, the time available to the assessing officer is less than 7 days, so at least 7 days time should be given to the assessee to issue the notice under section 148. But that thing is applicable only from 1st April 2023. So in the present case, since that proviso is not applicable to the assessee, so the notice is bad in law for want of adequate approval from the PCCIT. In the present case, the revenue was not giving the copy of the approval to the assessee by saying that this copy will be provided to the assessee during the assessment proceedings. For this, the court said that there is no national secret involved in giving the approval to the assessee. So it is also a fault of the revenue that the copy of the approval is not provided to the assessee. And since in the present case the approval is not as per the mandate of section 151, because the approval should have been given by the PCCIT as per section 151 clause II and not by the PCIT as per section 151 clause I. So in that case, the approval is bad in law, and consequently the notice under section 148 is not valid in the eyes of law. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Vodafone Idea Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and others, and this case is reported in 468 ITR at page number 346, and the date of the judgment is 6th February 2024. Thank you, friends.